Hi, Miss Jones. I'm Penny Montgomery. I'm one of the nurse leaders on the unit. I'm just rounding on you. How's everything going?
Oh, it's good. You see my pretty baby?
I do. What a gorgeous baby you had. Did you have a long labor?
Oh, God. Look at this thing. Yeah. Woo.
I imagine. I just wanted to make sure that we explained our infant security system to you. Did we do that? Do you remember?
I don't think so. Is it to save my baby?
It is. It's to protect your baby.
Oh,
do you remember when we put this little band on the baby? This little band right here. Do you remember that?
Yes, I think so. But you know, it's such a long labor. Look at this
That's
big
okay. Let me just explain it to you really quick.
Okay.
We put this on there and it stays on your baby until your baby goes home, and that's just to make sure that if you were to be out walking around the unit rolling the baby, or if anybody tried to take your baby, this little alarm would go off if it was near any exits. Okay, so that's one of our infant security measures.
We don't want anyone to steal the room.
I am sure you don't. I'm sure you don't. We will not remove this until we're getting ready to be discharged. So right as we get to wheel you out, we'll take this off. There's one other thing that we do. The nurses who work on this unit, they have this special badge, and it has baby across it with a little carriage.
Oh, baby.
So we want to make sure that you don't let anybody that doesn't have this badge take your baby.
No, we won't let anyone take the baby.
Even I don't have that on my badge, so you would not even let me take him.
Take the baby.
No, I definitely can't take you home with me.
The baby.
Do you have any other questions?
I don't. I'm so glad we have safety for the baby.
I know. We take care of our babies no matter what size they are here at Eastside.
As you can see, Miss Montgomery had all the tools and equipment in order to keep the baby safe.
Even the big ones.
This is Mike Sellers reporting to you live from Eastside Medical Center.
Prasad, this is Stephanie. I need you to come to room 101 right now. It's Cole Brown. Man down! Ain't nobody got time for this!
Oh my, what you people do? Jeez, look at all of this. Wipes all over the floor. Nurses, no wipes in the toilet.
Prasad and his team keeping the sewers clean here at Eastside Medical Center. This is Mike Sellers reporting to you live.